Hello, everyone. Good evening, everyone. I believe you can all hear me. Hello, hi. If you can hear me, type 1 in the comment section. If you can hear me, type 1 in the comment section. If you can hear me, type 1 in the comment section. All right, all right. Welcome, welcome. I'm happy to have you all here. Welcome to Forex SB Academy. You already know my name is Ido Uluwaseyi Paul. Let's wait for others. Let's give them like 2 minutes to join before we start fully. I'm happy to have you all here. I believe you all had a wonderful weekend last week. All right, my beautiful people. I can see you, Joshua. I can see Matthew. Welcome, Matthew. Welcome, Clinton. Welcome, Agree. Let's wait for others to join. I can see you, Abiodu. I can see you, Moniyen, uh, Annie Sunday, and others. Welcome, welcome. I'm happy to have you all here. Okay, good one. We have 50 people. Wow, this is awesome. I can see Ayomi Fela. All right, we are going to start now because we already have like 50 people, so we don't need to wait for others. All right, so tonight I'm going to be sharing with you um, how you can start making money in the forex market. By now, I believe a lot of us here already know me. A lot of us here already know me. My name is Idu Oluwaseyi Paul, popularly known as IOP. I would prefer you call me IOP because that is my nickname. I believe you can all hear me. If you can hear me, type 2. If you can hear me and it's very clear, you can hear me clearly, type 2. So tonight, I'm going to share with you how to take advantage of the market so you can start making money. But I believe majority of us here have gone through the beginner videos I shared in the group. If you are yet to go through those beginner videos, there is no way you will make money in the market because you need to understand the basics of the forex market. You need to understand the little term like candlestick, support and resistance, you know, Fibonacci tool, MT5, MT4 broker, you know, whales in the market, the people that control the market. You need to understand all those terms because all those terms are like the language of forex. So if you don't understand the language of forex, there is no way you can take your own share of the forex market. More than 6 trillion is being traded every blessed day. So if you don't understand the basic, you know, you don't understand the basic, there is no way you will make money. Just like you want to learn English, you don't even understand what A, B, C to Z is. You don't understand what is now, what is verb. You need to understand those little things for you to be able to communicate with people in English. So same thing as the forex market. Those basic things are very important. I'm telling you, In the next 2 weeks, 3 weeks, you can start making £1,000, £2,000, £3,000. I'm sorry for using pound. Let's use that dollar. You can start making $1,000, $2,000, $3,000 in 1 week, in 2 weeks. A lot of my students are already getting that same result. But you need to understand the basic. So I'm happy to see you all. Maker, welcome. All right, let's get to business. I know majority of you here already know me, but some are new. They don't know me. So I would like to introduce myself first before I go into the chat because I will be sharing my charts with you guys and I'm going to analyze what's happened in the market last week and what may happen this week. So you can picture yourself and prepare for the market so you can make a lot of money from the market. So you already know me. My name is Iduma Paul. So I will be sharing with you how to discover how you can start making up to like $5,000 monthly trading forex with IOP. If you have a capital of £10,000, you should be making like 1,000, 2,000 in 2 weeks. Let's just make it 2,000 in a month with $10,000 capital. It's easy for you to get that. There are lots of platforms you can use. But I have a special platform, you know, which I share with my private members. This particular platform, I was supposed to share it with you guys last week, you know, in this YouTube live stream, but is private. I don't want it to go viral in such a way that because there are lots of funded platforms that have went viral and that have crashed. A lot of people are in it, which make the platform, to give out a lot of money to people, and people take advantage, and majority of the time they destroy those kind of platforms. So this particular platform, I was introduced to it uh, few months ago, like I think up to like 14 months ago, and that's what I and my students have been using. We've been using other platforms, that give you access to pass stage one and stage two, which is phase one and phase two, before you get access to the main capital. Whereas some give you access to pass first stage, first phase, before they give you access to the live account. But this particular one, you don't need to pass any stage. As soon as you pay maybe, I think 110, with $110, they will give you access to $3,000 capital to trade with. So as soon as you pay the 110, they give you access to the $3,000. So all you just need to do is to trade. And how do you make money in the forex market? You need to have a strategy, and that's where IOP comes in. You need a strategy for you to make money in the market. The market is very easy to trade, but 97% of traders lose money because they don't know what they are doing. They don't have a working strategy. So as easy as it is, you can also lose your money if you don't know what you are doing in the market. But I've been able to design a working system. I've been able to build a system that tells you when to buy, tells you when to sell, tells you when not to trade at all. I don't trade every day. you know. If I don't see a setup, I don't trade. So in a week, I can trade twice or three times and I'm good. So it's better you trade two times or three times in a week, make good money, than you trading 20 times. You make money, you lose money, you make money, you lose money, and at the end of the week, you go home with minus. That's not a profitable trader. That's not how profitable traders trade. So focus on the right time to trade. Like this particular gap that opened between last week Friday and today is a very big gap. And 80% of the time, those kind of gap, we always go back and close. And that happened today, and I was able to make more than 2,000 from it. Some of my students make 5,000, some make 500, some make 200, 100, just like that. So because they understand the system, they are able to, picture and learn the language the forex market tells them. So those are all the things I'm going to share with you. All right, guys, if you can hear me, type 3. If you can hear me and you are enjoying the class, type 3. I'm still going to share my charts. So I will explain what happened last week and what will happen this week. So you guys can learn and master the strategy. One of the tools we use at Forex SD Academy is Trendline. Very powerful. Don't joke with it. It's one of the powerful tools. It's just one out of 10 tools we trade with. We also have strategies. There is a strategy that I used to make close to 11,500 in 2018, 2019 then, which is the 3 SMA, which I'm going to, my next class, I'm going to share it with you, and possibly this week I will share it with you guys in the group. So if you are not yet in the free group, make sure you go and join the group. I'm going to share that particular strategy because my goal is to help a lot of people. There are a lot of people, facing a lot of challenges in Africa. It's time for you to take advantage and start making money. There is money, more than 6 trillion is being traded every day. Even if you take 3,000 every day from the markets, it's nothing. It's like a drop of water in an ocean. So it's nothing. The market doesn't feel it. If you take 3,000, you make 3,000 every day. So 3,000 may be too much for you, but it's nothing when it comes to you making that. So you can make that in a month, you can make that in a week, you can make that every day, depending on your capital. So with like $110, if you start trading, you get a $3,000 capital, you should be making 100, 200, 300 in a week. Is something you start from somewhere. So let's assume you have a big money like 1,100 or $900. You can buy a capital of like $50,000. With that, you can be making 2,000. See, use other people money to make money. All those platforms are designed for people like us, are designed for people like you, to drop little capital to get bigger capital. So you use their funded platform to scale your success in the forex market. You don't need to start looking for $100,000, you know, to fund your account. There are platforms that give you access to all those things. All you just need is to get a little capital, pay it to them, then they give you the bigger capital. But you getting the bigger capital, if you don't know what you're doing, you will lose. You can lose $100,000 in just one day with the wrong strategy, with the wrong move, with the wrong click of buy or sell. So when the market is buying, you are out sell. You can lose your whole money. But when you understand the system, when you understand this particular strategy, this particular point, if I place a buy, I'm going to make money. You can wait in the market for like 2, 3 hours, you are done. You take your share, you go. So that's how it works. All right, guys. So, please, what was the name of the? There are lots of funded platforms. There are lots of funded platforms, but I don't want to promote anyone here. A lot of them are popular, but this particular one, I'm not going to share it to the public because it can go viral, and anything that goes viral, maximum 1, 2 months, it will crash. You know, the more demand, on anything can make that stuff, crash. When it comes to online platforms, like online making money platforms. So this particular one, I'm not going to share it online. I only share it in the group, But I'm going to share some tonight in the group. There are a lot, F something. There are a lot, fund something. I'm going to share it in the group tonight with you guys. Those ones, you just need to get the funded platform with like, I think, £100, sorry, $100. Then you have to pass one phase, one stage. When you pass that one stage, they will now give you a live account. But this particular one, which I said I'm not going to share with the general public, I only share it with my private members. That one, you don't even need to pass any stage. When you pay, they give you a live account, you trade. Then any money you make on it, you keep 70%, the platform keep 30%. They are also investors, they invest in you. They give you bigger capital. So they also get their own share, So those are hard things. Can you share it on the yes, I'm definitely going to share the other ones in the group tonight. All right, so let's get to work. I need you to do something for me right now. It's very important you do that. Anywhere you are, if there is noise, maybe your TV is on, your kids are there, your wife are there, just tell them you have just 30 minutes to 1 hour. This time can change a lot in your life. It can change a lot in your kids' life, your wife's life. In the next 2 months, sorry, in the next 2 weeks, 3 months, you can do a lot. You can be able to buy your kids what they want. Maybe they want bicycle. They've been disturbing you for that beautiful toy. They've been disturbing you to to go and visit that recreation center, but you don't have the money. These few more weeks can make you that. Your wife want that beautiful bag, that beautiful hair, that beautiful car, that awesome car, you know, that beautiful TV set and the likes, that kitchen utensils, that blender and the likes, that fridge. This is your time. So don't take it for granted. Go to a cool place, maybe your room, maybe your office, maybe a private place. Just try and go to a private place, then tell them to give you few time. So that's it. Who is this program for? This program is for you if you know that the internet is here to stay. A lot of people are making crazy money online, on YouTube, on Facebook, on Instagram, on TikTok, everywhere. You know, a lot of platforms, cryptocurrency, forex markets, affiliate marketing. There are lots of ways to make a lot of money in this life. All you just need to do is to key into one, and forex is the one I key into. And you can also key into that. But you need to understand what works, right? If you want to take full advantage of the online space and make money for yourself, then this program is for you. If you are working a 9 to 5 job or you are an entrepreneur, we have 9 to 5 workers that work for their boss just to get their pay at the end of the month, which is like a rat race. There are entrepreneurs like I and few of us here which believe in doing their own business and putting their hand into a lot of things, sacrificing their time to get things work, right? So if you are in any of this, but you are looking for an extra way to earn money for yourself, this program is for you. All right. In the next 30 minutes, maximum 40 minutes will be done. And I will show you how to scale up your game and leave the rat race, right? And leave the rat race and leave that environment and move to a bigger environment where the wealthy ones, the rich ones live. So you can change your mindset, you can change how you think, you can start thinking of investing in real estate and the likes, investing in agriculture, feeding the nation while you make money through it, right? So also, I'm going to show you how to start making consistent money monthly from the forex market and other financial market like cryptocurrency, stock, bond, indices, hedge fund, and other financial markets. Recently, one of my students asked me, it was new. He said, what's the difference between the currency market, which is Euro USD, and the likes market, which is fiat market, and what's it called? Stock, like stock. I told him stock is good for long time investment, like long time, and you have bigger capital, right? You can decide to invest in stock and put in maybe $10,000, but you should be looking at 5 years, 10 years, 20 years to make a lot of money from it, right? Whereas the currency market, the cryptocurrency market, the indices market, which is the synthetic market, you can make crazy money within few days, few months, right? And there are platforms that help you achieve all those things within few weeks, few months. All you just need to do is to get a knowledge on how it works, right? Stock is very easy to do, but you have to buy maybe Tesla stock, buy F and 500, 300, and the likes. You buy it, you hold it, because as those companies like Apple pull stock, we have Apple stock. So as people are demanding that brand, which is Apple, the stock will keep increasing. So if you buy like 10 years ago, 20 years ago, by now you'll be sitting in big money because Apple has gone high. Let's assume you buy Nokia some years ago, like 10 years ago. By now, you won't have big profit compared to you having Apple stock. I think you're getting my point now. So it's for long time investors, people that have free money. You can maybe you want to diversify. You don't just want to put all your investments in one egg, which is real estate. Also want to put it in stock. So you can divide, maybe you have like £1 million, $1 million. You can put maybe 300,000, 500,000 into real estate. You put like 200 into agriculture. You put another 300 or 200 or 100 into stock. Then you just leave it for like 10, 20, 30 years. So in 30 years' time, you can come back and see £5 million from just your 100,000 investment in stock. So there are different ways to make money online, but do you know how to? So who is IOP? I'm not going to take much time, you know. And how did I went from almost committing suicide in 2017 to making more than $500,000 in 6 years of trading Forex? Forex has really changed a lot of things in my life. It has moved me to bigger places. I've met a lot of wealthy people. I've visited a lot of countries. You know, this is me when I was still in Nigeria. Then this was my office in Nigeria, and the funniest part, I studied mechanical engineering. I even came out with 2-1, but I don't use it. You know, I don't use it. I'm always about the money. I don't care about I'm a doctor, I'm a lawyer. No, 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 no. There are people online doing just TikTok, Facebook, YouTube, and the likes, doing affiliate marketing that are even making 10 years salary of a doctor in a month. Yeah. If you go online, you will see a lot of them. Like YouTube, Mr. Beast is making millions every year for every month from just YouTube. He's not a doctor. The world is changing. This is Gen Z age. Starting from this year, next year, we'll have Gen Beta. They call it Gen Beta. Those people, those age, they are making crazy money. They are taking move. AI is taking over. You can achieve a lot of things with AI, ChatGPT, and the new one that just came out from China. You know, People are building things. Tech is taking over. You don't want to stay in the old ways. You believe this is the only way. No, other people are making crazy money from the new ways. So these are some of my company, FSB Academy. Then I have a foundation in Africa. I also have an investment company here in the UK and also in Nigeria. Recently, that was last year, we opened a branch here in the UK. We invest in properties, old properties, new properties, and the likes. I'm a co-founder of that. So this was me years back, 2017 when I started. This was me years back, 2018, 19, 20 in Nigeria. This was me in Nigeria. This was me in UK when I moved into the UK 2023. This was me when I bought my first car, my second car, when I traveled to Norway, Oslo, when I traveled to France, Paris, when I traveled to Ireland, that was last year, Dublin, when I traveled to Greece, Athens, when I traveled to Spain, Madrid, also Switzerland. I've been to Switzerland and the likes. So, what is forex trading? Forex trading is simply exchange of foreign currencies. That's all. That is all. That is what we do. Simply trading of foreign currencies. We don't do any other thing. We buy gold against dollar. We sell gold against dollar. We buy euro against USD. We sell. So we just trade the economy. It's demand and supply. Presently, soon, people will start, if you follow the news, not the popular news, not the popular. I won't talk too much. If you follow the news, the real news, you should know that in a few years' time, a particular currency is going to go down the rain. Whereas the new ones, which is like a group currency that is coming, will take over. Right? The world is changing and this happened. You know, the popular currency presently took over one particular currency some years back. You know, that is going to happen soon. So you should be able to picture. So that means soon the popular currencies we are trading will devalue. So if all your investment is in that particular this particular currency we are trading now, if all your investment is in this particular currency that is popular worldwide, I don't want to mention the name, because online they can flag this video. If all your investment, maybe all your properties, everything about you is in that particular currency, in 10 years' time, You can end up losing 50% of your value in that currency if you don't diversify, you don't move to the new phase. That's why you have some people that are rich before now they are poor because they believe in the old ways of doing things. Right? So more than $6 trillion is being traded in the forex market every day. Right? 3,000 is just like a drop of water. I've said that earlier. We have the likes of Warren Buffett, George Soros. These are top traders, top stock traders. These people who invest in Coca-Cola, big companies. Apple stock and the likes. The likes of some big hedge fund. You know, there are two of them. There are like three of them. They invest heavily in all these stocks. They are like the one controlling the world. I can't mention their name online. So you need to understand all those things. Those are all the things we teach you. Right? This is one of my students. A lot of my students have made a lot of money. I can't count them. I can't mention them. These are some of my students that I gave award. You can see the logo FSBA in their hand, right? So please, if you know you are lazy, you can't watch videos, you can't put things into practice. This is not for you. If you know that you watching 10-minute video is hard for you, I'm telling you this is not for you. Success is not for everyone. Success is for people that are ready to sacrifice their time now to build a better future for their kids. Yeah, those people are the only one that will succeed. Right? So if you are the kind that you procrastinate a lot, you are very lazy, this is not for you. If you are believe in Ponzi, put £10 now, tomorrow you get £100. You believe in all those platforms. I believe some of you have been scammed by those kind of platforms in future. So if you believe in all those kind of things, this is not for you. If you believe in get rich quick scheme, this is not for you. If you are not ready to learn to earn, right? You learn, then you remove the L and earn, then this is not for you if you're not ready to do that. So if you believe in invest one and get 10, this is not for you. If you believe in someone doing it for you, this is not for you. Right? You should be ready to do it by yourself, which we are going to teach you how to. So now I'm going to share my screen. I'm going to share my screen. Let's start with gold. I traded gold this morning and I made crazy money from it. A lot of my students made crazy money. If you can see my screen, right, you can see my chart. Type I can. Type I can in the comment section. If you can hear me and you can see my screen, type I can. All right. Beautiful. This is beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. All right. Before we go straight to the point, if you have any question, type your question so I can answer those questions now before we move into the second part of the training today. If you have any question, yeah, type your question. Type your question. If you have any question, be free. Type your question. We don't have much time. Type your question. Type your question. I'm waiting. I'm waiting. I'm waiting. We have 2 more minutes for question and answer. If you have any question that is bothering you, type your question. Okay, it seems there is no question, so let's go straight to the point. Yeah, in the forex market, we have three trends. We have three trends: uptrend, we have sideways trend, Then we have downtrend. Those are the three trends we have, right? We have uptrend, bullish. We have sideways trend, ranging market. Then we have downtrend. Are you getting it? We have uptrend, sideways trend, then downtrend, bullish, ranging, then bearish. You need to know this in the market. You need to know this in the market, and you must be able to take advantage of it in the market. So when the market is bullish, is going up, please always follow the trend and buy more. So if the market is going up here, you buy here, go up, you buy here, go up, you buy here, go up, you buy here. Are you getting it? Ranging around support and resistance, you buy low, sell high, buy low, sell high. But majority of the time, it's advisable you don't even trade when the market is ranging. Like last week, like two days out of last week, the market range. I think 2 to 3 days, the market kept ranging. So I only traded 2 times last week, and I made a lot. A lot of my students made a lot. But when the market started ranging, we left the market. If the market starts trending down, you only want to sell. Never trade against the trend. I always say this. Never trade against the trend. You only make money when the market is trending. You make more money when the market is trending. Like this particular trade, I took this trade, and majority of you saw it. I made money from it. A lot of my students made money from this because we noticed the market is trending up, and we took advantage. We noticed the market is trending up. The market has changed trend since. Just picture yourself assuming. Let me zoom in. Can you see the market? This is uptrend here. Let's assuming you place a buy here, you 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 buy here, and we bought here today. Do you know how much you would have made? And this was how many days interval? This is since December, and now we are in February. So for one good month, you are only placing buy. Do you know how much you would have made? If you are enjoying this class and this my explanation, type I love this. Just type it. If you are enjoying this explanation, type I love this. You know, you buy here, 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 you buy here. Do you know how much you would have made? But let's assume this market is trending here. IOP and a student, they are buying. You decide to sell here. You now start, oh, the market is trading against me. Why? Anytime I place a buy, the market just sell. Anytime I place a sell, the market just buy. I know a lot of you are in that shoe. Some of you traded sell on gold today and you lost. You say, no, these people are trading against me. I've been in that shoe before. Never trade against this trend. That's the number one rule I teach my students. Even if your friend made money last week and is trading today, say, sell. The market is trending up, and you say, I made money last week, £1,000. Sell. And you know it's trending up. Don't go against the trend. Follow your rule. Set your stop loss. When you're in good profit, take partial profit, lock your trade, which is trail your stop loss. Put your stop loss above your entry. Meaning, if the market decides to sell, maybe there is a news, one candle, it will just close your trade, that your running trade. Don't forget you've taken partial profit. Maybe you have profits, a running trade of 2,000, you take partial profit of like maybe 1,000 or 700. Then the rest, 1,003, you lock it in such a way that if market decide to sell, it will stop that stop loss. It will not go against you. So you just have a close of maybe £10. So don't forget you've already closed $700 plus £10, 710. That 710 is not your money. It's our money. Your money, my students' money, other traders' money in China, in UK, in Australia, in New Zealand money is all that is being traded, which is the $6 trillion, is our money. So those who know more than others are the ones that take their own share from the ocean. So when you take that 710, it's not your money. Don't complain that it's too small. Take it, go and rest. Buy good thing for your kids. During the weekend, take them for a vacation, let them live a good life. But as you are taking them out, also think like a wise man. Invest, diversify. Don't eat all your earnings. Don't eat. Enjoy yourself, but also invest. I get my point now. So you only want to buy. Can you see this market is going up? You only want to buy here, buy here, buy here, buy here, buy here, buy here, buy here. If you look at gold also, same thing. If you look at let me see if I can see currency crypto pairs here. I'm trying to look for um I don't think they have I'm trying to look for BTC. If you notice, BTC just hit the highest high. That was I think last month, or no, November, December. Same thing. All markets are the same. Either going up, ranging, or going down. That's it. Are you getting it? So let me zoom back in. All right. So you can see the market has been going up. All right. Let me zoom back. If you notice here, this is a good downtrend. Right? This is a good downtrend. Assuming you've been selling around that level, do you know how much you have made? This is uptrend. Are you getting it? You only want to buy when it's going up. This here is range. The market range somewhere here. Those points you don't want to trade. This market, sold downtrend. This market ranged a bit here. Are you getting it? This market is a trend uptrend market. Are you getting it? So you can see, can you see the markets? Can you see? Same thing over and over again. So this is telling you that anytime from now, this particular market may range anytime from now. So meaning the whole of maybe this year, this month, the market may range. And it can also start selling. It can also start coming down. So that means the whole of this month, the market can start going on a downtrend. So if you can picture the future before the future happens, that is when you benefit as a trader. So you go ahead other traders. So you know what will happen next. So you can see the market. It's not possible for this market to trend up till December. No. People will take profits. As people are taking profits, there is what they call demand and supply. Right? People that traded below here, when the market gets to this point, they will take profit. As they are removing their money from the market, it's like from 6 trillion, someone remove, some people, remove 2 trillion. It will make the market to drop. They remove 2 trillion from euro, they put it into gold, sorry, into USD, meaning a lot of people are now traveling to United States. They are leaving Europe. So that means they will have to convert their euro to dollar. So it will make euro to devalue, to fall at that particular time. Are you getting it? Presently here, January, February, China currency is going to go up because a lot of Chinese all over the world, they are going to travel to China for their New Year, which is around February, January, February. So during that period, there will be demand of China currency. So during that period, you only want to buy more of China currency and sell it against other currencies. You understand what I'm saying now? So you need to know all these things, you know, even without you looking at the news calendar and the likes. With your charts, you can picture, you can analyze the market. And if you can analyze the market, you will be able to make a lot of money from the market. Are you getting my point now? So see this one. I told you this is uptrend, right? This is range market. This is uptrend, right? This is range market. Then we have uptrend, then downtrend, uptrend, range, downtrend. Same thing, uptrend, downtrend, uptrend, range, downtrend, uptrend, range. Same thing over and over again. You should just be able to know, and there are tools that help us, like my HSB Mamove strategy. It helps you to know the trend of the market. You don't even have to stress yourself. It automatically tells you that, oh, this particular market here is uptrend, so you only want to buy, right? You only want to buy. Just like ChatGPT is a tool. This is ranging market, you know, uptrend. So there are tools that guide you on all these things. Just look at the charts. When the thing tells you to buy, you buy. When it tells you to sell, you sell. So let's continue. Let me zoom in here. I want to try and delete this in this. Okay. So now, looking at this market, this is trend uptrend market. This market will continue going up until we have a break of trend line. This trend line I do here now. The market will continue to come down to this level and continue going up until we have a break of this trend line down. Are you getting it? Somewhere here we had a break of this particular trend line here. Let me zoom in. So if you see, the market has been going down here. So we had a break of this trend line somewhere here. That's a change of trend line. That is telling you that the market is about to change from downtrend to either uptrend or sideways trend. So you can decide to buy here. Some people will buy here on maybe 4 hour time frame. Some people will buy here. Some will buy there on 1 day time frame. Can you see? This is a good buy signal here. Then they will hold the trade for like 5 days, 10 days. They will make like £12,000. Some they call them swing trader. Those are all the terms you need to learn from the basic video. They call it swing traders. They will take this trade last 2 weeks or 3 weeks, and they are still holding just one trade since then till now. So some will trade on 1 day time frame, and they will see this candlestick, just one small candlestick. We signal them the market is about to change to uptrend. So you can see this is a big engulfing candlestick. Can you see this candle here? This is an engulfing candlestick. This particular candlestick engulfs all three candlesticks. This is a signal for some people to buy. They just buy here. They set their stop loss below. They hold it. Some people are still holding their trade since middle of last year till now. They call them long time traders. They hold a trade. They can hold a trade for 1 year. They can hold a trade for 2 months. Just one trade. Are you getting my point now? So I'm a day trader slash swing trader. I trade using 1 hour time frame. So my strategy automatically tell me when to buy. Let me zoom out back to that point. So now I think this is where we are. So you can see we have a break of trend line here. All right, we have a break of trend line here. This is a good buy signal. All right, and you can see it went into profit. There are more opportunities there, which I shared with you last week in the live webinar. This is a buy signal here. I shared this with you last week. I believe so. There are more opportunities here. You can see it's magic. This is a buy signal. It's magic. So sometimes when we post trade, and you see that the thing go in our favor, we make 2,000, we make 5,000, we make 3,000 from it. These are all the things we see that you don't see. So in your face, you may think it's a magic. It's not magic. It's because we fed our mind, we fed our brain with knowledge over or other things. Right? This happened last week, and on Euro USD, same thing happened. Right? We call them the market makers, the manipulators. You place a buy here, you set your stop loss here. They come with this long candlestick and remove your stop loss. They are market makers, they are market manipulators. We have them. They call them whales. They eat the small fish in the ocean. So those are the people. They take over, they take advantage of the market. They trade against you sometimes. If they notice like 90% or 70% of people have placed buy, they use one candlestick to remove those people's stop loss in order to reduce their quantity of the people holding buy. Then after that, a lot of people will not place sell here. Like out of those 70 people, 70%, like 50% can take a sell. Right? They will not place a buy and move it up. So the market is designed to move money from those who don't know to those who know. You know, you need to understand all this. So if you place this buy, you set your stop loss here and it hits your stop loss, don't be scared. But know that the market is trending up, it's still going up. This is another opportunity for you to re-enter. You can increase your lot size, you can times two your lot size. You use maybe 10 lot size here, you can use 20 here, set your stop loss here, you make your money back and make more money. Same thing over and over again. There are more opportunities everywhere, but can you spot the trend? Do you know what the market will do? Can you picture the future of the market? Those are the questions you should answer yourself. Can you see opportunities? I'm not even using SB Mamove strategy. I can see opportunities. What if I place SB Mamove strategy on this? You will see more opportunities here, right? Can you see opportunities? Opportunities are everywhere, but if you can't see it, you can't see it. Can you see buy? Can you see buy? Those are buy entries. There is one particular buy entry here also last week, but after that, it removed people's stop loss. The same thing they manipulate because they have a lot of people that buy here. Like 80% of people, of traders worldwide, they place buy here. Not only traders, normal traders, we have hedge funds, we have investors, we have, a lot of people are on buy around this level. So they need to remove them. They will need to remove them from the market first. Let us remove those people that don't know what they are doing so we can move. The world is not designed to make everybody rich. Some people have to work for others. All right. So the rich, those people that are informed, will benefit. Why those who are not informed will be the one to pay the price. So do you want to be among those people controlling the world, or you want to be among those people that will pay the price? So you should learn. You're right. So these are opportunities. So they took advantage of those people that will pay the price, which they paid the price here. They place it by the set stop loss here, they lose. They play sell. So those are just gamblers. They are just gambling. They don't know what they are doing. But you don't want to gamble when it comes to trading. So you place your buy, you set your stop loss, it hits your stop loss. As long as you know the market is trending up and SB Mamove is telling you only buy. Why do you want to sell? Only sell. Only buy. You don't have to sell. There are more opportunities everywhere. So you re-enter here, you make your money back. Right? These are opportunities everywhere. And that this happened today, we made money. So sometimes when we post trade and you see profit, you'll be like, these people are magicians. How did they do it? It's because you don't know. What you don't know is bigger than you. This is a good entry point here. I took the trade here, which is a good one, but I would have entered earlier here. SB Mamove told me to enter somewhere there, and I made money from here. From this, when it got to this high, I took my profits. You also need to learn take profit levels. where to set your stop loss. When you place a trade like this, you set your stop loss at the lower low, which is the V shape. I call it V shape. I call this side A shape. When you place a buy around that side, your first stop take profit should be at the high, the previous high. So for example, if I place a buy here, my TP should be somewhere here. But that doesn't mean I should hold it till it gets to that point. As long as I'm okay with my profit, go with your profit. The market is not your anybody father inheritance, right? When you make money, someone just lost money in the forex market. The market is designed to move money from those who don't know to those who know. If you're enjoying this, type I'm enjoying. I'm enjoying. Type I'm enjoying. If you're enjoying my class, you're feeling it. Type I'm enjoying. Let me know. Let me know you guys are with me. I want to know if you guys are with me. If you can, you are enjoying it, you are feeling it, drop a comment. Drop a comment. You are learning. You have any question, drop a comment. So that's it. Soon we are going to end the class. If you're a beginner, you don't know anything, all these things will be like magic. That's why you need to first go to my website, idooluwaseyp.com. You will see the beginner course there. It's free. Go through it. I think it's just 20 videos, 4 minutes, 2 minutes. They are not even up to 1 or 2 hours. Go through those videos. Those videos will do a lot in your life. It will change your life. Right? It's free. The beginner and the mastery, they are worth over $150, but I gave it out for free. There is no knowledge I bring to this world or I learn in this world that I'll take with me in future when you know I can't take them. So I've designed the system. It took me years to come up with those videos. I made the videos, I paid people to record it for me. A lot of money I spent on it, but there's sometimes you have to give back to the community. Right? So go to my website, idooluwaseyp.com. You will see the videos there, the beginner video. Go and watch it to understand the terms, like what is trend line, what is support and resistance, what is trend, bullish, bearish, sideways trend, bullish candlestick, engulfing candlestick, doji. There are lots, support and resistance, Fibonacci level. All those things I've made it in the video. How to create your broker account, how to set up your broker account, how to set up your MT5, how to put up pairs, all those things. I've made videos for it. You don't need to stress yourself by going to YouTube and be searching, you know. You don't need to have design system for you that works. All you just need to do is to go there. For beginners, just go there, get all those things working. Watch it. When you're done in future, join my mentorship program, start making money, right? Get access to funded platforms, raise money when you know that you understand the strategy. You understand that, oh, I now have a powerful tool in my arsenal, in my hand, that I can use to make a lot of money. I'm telling you, for you to get a little capital to buy a funded account will be the easiest thing for you to get. So when you have that tool, that, oh, I have this knowledge to make millions, for you to now get small capital to start that business will be easy. But if you don't have anything in mind, you don't even know where to start, the capital cannot come. You can even partner with your friends, you can partner with your siblings that, oh, I've learned this and I believe in myself that I'm going to make a lot of money in the next 1, 2 months. Please, can you borrow me this? I'll give you 50-50. You do an agreement as long as you know how powerful that knowledge you have in you. You tell, let's write an agreement. I'm going to give you any profits I make, I'll give you 50%. Then you just get maybe $43, depending on you. There are lots of you here that can raise even $10,000 to get a bigger account of $1 million from those funded platforms. So maybe you have $1,000, you can get a $50,000 account. You have an agreement with anyone you get the money from, or you have your own savings. You get a trading account, you start trading. Even if you go for 10% of $50,000 monthly, that's 5,000. Crazy money, free money, right? So that's it. I think there are some questions. We are done with this class. We are going to have another class next week also. Just like this, I want to make sure I come up maybe every 2 weeks to share my ideas with you guys. Which time frame is good for scalping? For I don't scalp. Yeah, in the olden days, then I used to scalp, but I'll tell you, scalping is not that good. But you can decide to, risk a particular account for scalping. But I won't advise you. Be a long time trader, swing trader, or day trader is best. Which time frame is good for scalping? I've explained that. Please, sir, can you recall? I can't. I came late. I'm very sorry. After this video will still be on this channel after this class. Just go back to this channel. You'll see the video there. So just watch it. Which time frame is good for? I've explained that. Please, what time frame to determine overall trend? You can use any time frame to know the overall trend. I use 1 hour time frame. I only trade using 1 hour time frame, right? You can trade with 4 hour. The higher the time frame, the more accurate the chart. So if you are trading with 1 hour, 4 hour, 1 day time frame, those time frames are the best for you to know what will happen in the market, right? Which time frame is good for scalping for a day trader? I'm enjoying which time frame. I've explained that. What's your website? My name, Idowu Oluwaseyi P. Let me try and see if I can. I believe you all can see my screen. Let me make use of this. Idowu Oluwaseyi P at gmail.com. Sorry. Idowu Oluwaseyi P.com. Ido Oluwaseyi. So this is it. So this is my website, right? Idowu, which is my name, IDOWU, Oluwaseyi, OLUWASEYI.com. So just go there, then you will see the beginner. So you can see here, I said, if you want to go far in life, spend your time learning and investing in FAR, which is financial market, the Forex market. Then diversify into agriculture, which is food. People can never do without food. Then invest in real estate, which is shelter. People cannot do without shelter, which is a house. So those three markets are the one controlling the world. With all this, you can do a lot. So if you are coming through YouTube, you can just click on this pop-up stuff here. Then you send me a message on WhatsApp. It will take you directly to my WhatsApp. So that's that. Let's go back. Yeah. Where am I? Where am I? I think I was on charts. Yeah. So here. So let me finish the question. I want to be one of your students, but I don't have money to subscribe. Please help. You can take your time. You don't have to rush. I have free videos. I have free courses on my website. Start with all those ones first, right? Practice, learn first, trade uh, on the markets. Learn those little strategies I shared, right? What I just shared now, this particular video is like a whole course of some people, some pro traders. This is like their course. Go back to these videos, watch it over and over again. I made one last week. Go back to that video. Put your time into learning all these things. I've created a platform. Even on this my channel, you will see some old videos that I have uploaded. Back to go through those videos. On my Telegram group also, I have a lot of videos there. Go through all those things. They are free. Right? Learn from them and put them into practice. Like in this particular video now, I shared with you trend line, how to spot trend, uptrend, sideways, downtrend. Best time to trade using trend line. I've shared it with you. Start with all these things. So by the time you have capital to buy my strategy, which is SB Mamove strategy, or my money printing machine strategy, by the time you now have that capital to buy it, you would have learned the basics. You would have learned the market price action. So you getting the strategy will just make it very smooth for you. So you don't have to rush. Take your time. I'm not rushing. You already have my contact. You have my website. Anytime you misplace my contact, just go to my website, click on that link. It will take you directly to my WhatsApp. You have access to me. Message me on WhatsApp. I'll answer you. But majority of the time, if I'm busy, I'll just send a voice note and reply you. I'm always there for you, right? Which time frame is good? I've explained that. What is the minimum amount required to engage in forex trading? Any amount, right? All those funded platforms have made it very easy for everyone to go into the forex market with little as $43. With $43, you can buy a funded account of $1,000. With $210, you can buy a funded account of 3,000. With $300, you can buy a funded account of 10,000. With like $1,000, you can buy a funded account of 50,000. So with small money, you can get a bigger account. Then you make your money. You keep. Let's assume in a month, God help you make 10,000. 10,000, you take 70% of that, which is 7,000. You give the platform, which is the owner, the investors of the platform. You give them just 3,000, you keep 7,000. You know what 7,000 can do for you? Let's even take it low to like 1,000. You make 700 for that month, free money. You make £1,000, you keep your 700, you give the platform the 300, you go home and enjoy. Make your wife happy, take her to a cool place and enjoy your life. You talk about a funded, I've explained that. Is there any key things we should study to trade? There are lots of key things. Know the trend of the market. You should be able to spot and know the trend of the, you should be able to picture the future before the future happens. Like now, AI is taking over the world. You should start learning AI skill if you want to really make that big money. There is money in fintech, there is money in tech. So if you are maybe a graphic designer, you should start learning AIs. AIs can quickly design a platform, a what's it called? A design like Canva and the likes. AI can quickly design it. If you want to make a video, AI can quickly design it for you. So you should start moving into that place where the world is going. Right? You quickly key into it. Right? So same thing as the forex market, you must be able to picture the future before the future happens. If you can't do that, you will be among the 97% that are losing money. You should be able, like where this market is. I can tell you that this market will either go up or come down to this level, then continue to go up, right? Or it can go up a bit, then come down. But definitely it will still come down. Nothing go up for life. If you throw a knife or a ball up, it will come down. There is law of gravity. Same thing as the forex market. There is law of demand and supply, right? But never trade against the trend. Never sell because you believe this market will sell here. It will sell. That doesn't mean you want to quit sell. And no, 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 no. Never trade against the trend. Only buy. You only want to start selling when the bigger picture, there's a break of this bigger trend line, right? This bigger trend line you see here, there's a break of this bigger trend line down, then you now want to sell. So, for example, if you see there's a trend line somewhere here, right? Then we have a break of the trend line, then you want to start selling, right? The SB Mamove strategy will tell you when there is a break of trend line. It will also tell you when to sell. So that's why I've made it very easy for you guys. Is there anything? Please, boss, what is the MA are you using? I don't understand what you're saying. How do I be part of your VIP? After this class, just message me. This week, I'm going to be doing a mentorship program every month. That I want to start that now. Every month, I want to try and take 5 people, right, and help them doing the first 2 weeks. So every month, every first week of every month, I will open my program, my mentorship program for just 5 people every month, so they can take action, right? And then I spoke with my team. We discussed about giving them access to my VIP session, which is my mentorship program for 249. But I said a lot of people are suffering in Africa. A lot of majority of all these southwest, west side, Nigeria, Ghana, Cameroon. A lot of people are there suffering, and a lot of people are there also making money, right? But we need to help. We need to help. So I said no. The $249 is too much. A lot of people won't be able to. Some have not even hitting. So how will they raise that? So I'm still talking to my uh my team. We are deciding maybe we should help them with maybe $50 or $100 so they can become a member. But I'm still thinking, I'm still thinking about it. So, but the main thing is to understand how the markets work. Watch those basic videos. If you don't have the money to join my mentorship program, I have free videos that you can watch. Learn from all those things. Then when you have money, you can then join anytime. I'm always there for you. So that is that. So I believe you learn something. Please, if you learn a lot from this training tonight, type in the comment section. I've learned a lot. I've learned a lot. I've learned a lot. I've learned a lot. Type it in the comment section before we move. Before we move, type it in the comment section. I've learned a lot. I've learned a lot. If you have learned a lot, type it in the comment section. I've learned a lot. If you have any question, also drop your comments. Drop your question in the comment section. If you have any question, drop your question. We don't have much time. We only have like 10 to 20 minutes to end this meeting. If you have any question, drop your question. So as we are waiting, let's quickly finish this. I have 10 minutes. I'm going to end the um, class in 10 minutes time. So, what is SB Mamove strategy? This this is the strategy I designed. It's a powerful buy and sell strategy that tells you the trend of the market. It tells you if this market is uptrend. It tells you if the market is downtrend. It tells you when to buy. It tells you when to sell. All you just need to do is to make sure you follow the rules of the strategy. Are you getting my point now? I've learned a lot. Does your strategy help to identify others? Yes, it tells you the best time to trade. Like it tells you buy now. Like when you open your charts, the market will automatically tell you, following the rules that I teach, it will tell you that, oh, this is the best time to trade. Don't trade now. Like it signal you. That's why I told you the forex market is like a language. If you don't understand the language, you won't be able to communicate with the market. If you don't speak the language of the market, you won't be able to make money from the market because the market is talking to you. So you need to now have a strategy that speak the language of the market that tells you this candlestick is a buy candlestick. Like, let me show you. The market is talking to you. It's you that don't just understand the market. Like today, the SBM move strategy told me this is a buy here. So here also, and see anywhere there is a trend line breakout like this, SBM move strategy tells you is a buy. That's how powerful it is. And you know the funniest part? There is also a buy signal somewhere here. Sorry, sell signal here, which is this. We call it trading against the trend. It's not advisable and never do it. Right? Never trade against the trend. But SB move strategy will still tell you when there is a reversal trade, which is a sell signal here. SB move strategy will tell you this is a buy here. All you just need to do is to buy. Don't even stress yourself. You understand? Buy. When it tells you to buy, buy. It's like SB Mamove is like your tutor, it's like your instructor, it's like your driver. It tells you buy. All you just need to do is to buy. It tells you take profits. All you just need to do is to take a profit. And like this particular trade I took today, this one, a lot of my students also took it. The time I took that trade, all my students took that trade at the same time. It's like he's talking to all of us. Place a buy. I get my point now. So I place a buy at that particular time. They can see it. What I'm seeing is what they are seeing. So when you have access to SB Mammoth strategy, what I see as IOP is what you will see. So when the strategy tell me buy, it automatically tells you buy. All you just need to do is to place your buy. I think you're getting my point now. So let me go back. Where am I? So that is SB Move strategy for you. My mentorship program. After this class, I'm going to discuss that tomorrow in the group. Right. I'm going to discuss that. But the SB Move strategy presently we are on promo. It's just $49. But for the mentorship, that should be around maybe 249. But I'm discussing with my team member, so we are thinking of making my mentorship 149. But the SB Move strategy is just 49. You can get that on my website, or you can private message me to get that. But my mentorship, whereby I'm going to host this kind of class with you, analyze the strategy for you, hold your hand throughout the month, share the platform with you, which is the funded platform. So as soon as I'm done with the one-on-one mentorship with you, you will get access to the trading platform, funding platform. You fund your account, you start trading. I will still mentor you. My personal assistant also will guide you until you start making money, right? We will not leave you until you start making money. You will also have access to our premium WhatsApp group. I think that one is somewhere here. This is my premium WhatsApp group. It should be. I don't know if I can see it. If I can see it here. Let's be Mamove. I don't see. This is it. This is my group, right? My premium, and I also have Euro USD group. That one in that group we only trade Euro USD, Euro USD group. In this group we only trade Euro USD. So so we will learn all those things here. A lot of my students are making crazy money. Right? They are making crazy money from the markets every day. You can see. So there are lots of information you still need to get, right? So that is it. So we can save the world. Yes, take your time. Don't rush. IOP is always here for you. Learn, go to all my videos, watch those videos. If you raise your money tomorrow for the SB Move strategy, $49, you can pay tomorrow. If you raise it ending of the month, you can get it ending of the month. If you raise it even in December, you can get it anytime, right? But just have it in mind that when you are ready to go into this forex market, you need a working strategy. You need to learn the process. Like, and don't forget to save my number so you can see updates on my status. You can see my trades. You can see my entry points. So you can blend it with your own entry point. So you can always learn from my what's it called? My status. I always post on my status. Same as the group. But by next month I will stop posting in the group and possibly I will delete the group, you know. So I can focus on my students, my premium students. So that is it. So there are lots of benefits. I don't have much time because it's already getting late and I want to go and rest. I'm a bit tired now. So there are lots of benefits of SB Move strategy, which you will get to learn, and there are lots of my students that have made a lot. Last week I spoke about some of my students that bought, working tools like sewing machine, some bought cars, there are a lot of them, some bought like landed properties. They were able to, renovate it, turn it to their dream home and the likes. And some also bought investment properties, some of them made a lot of money. This one made like 142. He started, that was last 2 years. You see, he made on his first day, he made $142. So it's free money. It's our money in the market. So you just take your own share. These are some of my students that bought cars. A lot are making crazy money from the forex market. So my mentorship program is $249 for now. But tomorrow, next tomorrow, I will decide on that. I will decide if I'm to make it 149 for a lot of people that won't be able to afford 249. But I believe 50% of you here should be able to afford 249. But I will see what I can do to that. But for the SB Mamove strategy, it's just um it's just $49. You can get it anytime, but don't rush if you don't have money for it. Take your time, learn. I have free videos, just learn. So we are going to end the class now. We are going to end the class now. I believe you all have learned something today. All right, guys. I believe you all have learned a lot today. All right, you already know this is IOP himself. My name is Idowu Oluwaseyipo, popularly known as IOP, and I'm a full-time forex trader, real estate investor, and soon in future we want to put our egg into agriculture. On my status, you get to know more about me. You get to learn more from me. You get to see my investment what I invest into. You get to learn a lot from me, and I will also get to learn from you. I love learning because I believe the more I learn, the more I earn. Same as you. Your time has come to make crazy money from the forex market. Your time starts now. So the SB Move promo lasts till when? The promo, which is the $49, it lasts till I think 15th of this month. Right after 15th of this month, it will go back to its official price, which is around. Let me check it on the website. I can't really remember. I can't really remember. SB Mamove strategy. So this is the mastery course. This is the SB. Yeah, you can see it's $49, 149. But presently we're on promo. The promo price on the website is 149, but the normal price is 400. But presently we're on promo of 49 till 15th of this month. Right. We also have money printing machine. That one is magical. The promo price on our website is 199, but presently it's still on 199 because that one is for my special students. Then we have mentorship is 999, but we've decided to help a lot of people to get it for 249. But I'm still speaking with my team. We can decide to help you guys with 149, you know. So that's it. So that's it, guys. I believe you learned a lot of today. If you learn, please type it in the comment section what you have learned today. Type it in the comment section what you have learned today. Oh yeah, the 3 SMA. Yes, I'm going to share that with you maybe tomorrow. I think I even gave you. You can go to the website. Yes, go to the website. Just go to course stages. Go to this part, the green part, right? Click on the under. You see we have a tick all beginner module, then IOP 3 SMA strategy. Just click on the learn more button. I think I gave you access to it for free, yeah, so you can see. Okay, this is the beginner course. So you have access to the beginner course there. But the 3 SMA strategy, I will look into it on how I can share it with you guys. Maybe ending of this month, I will share that. But for the SB Mamove strategy, um, SB Mamove strategy promo on the website is 149, but presently we are doing it for 49 till 15th. Then the mentorship is 999, but presently we are doing it for 249. So just take your time, don't rush. You are always here. Mm. So guys, we are going to end the class now. If you have any question, please drop it in the comment section so I can give an answer to all your questions before we call it a day. All right, boss, please bless us with some signals. I don't give signals. I teach you how to fish. I don't give fish. That's the last thing I do to give people fish. Right? I only teach you how to fish the way I fish. Right? Uh, then, boss, please let us be my move remain for $49. Till on after 15th, we are going back to 149. Okay, guys. All right, guys. So we are going to call it a day. All right, guys. See you and bye for now.